Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2016 162 Dublin registered Ford Galaxy 2-litre Zetec with a more powerful 150 brake horsepower engine, and it's automatic. It's been freshly valeted, and as we can see here, this one has gorgeous leather seats which really are like new. It has one owner, a full service history, Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music streaming, climate control, air conditioning, ISOFIX, and parking sensors front and rear. Finance is available, and finance is available even for those with a poor credit history. There are also extended warranties available of up to 2 years. We are located close to the Red Cow on Killeen Road, Dublin 10. Please do call prior to coming to view to avoid being disappointed. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.